The sun had barely peeked over the rolling hills, casting a warm glow across the thatched roofs of the small village nestled at the edge of the enchanted forest. Lily, a curious and adventurous young girl, stood at her bedroom window, gazing longingly at the towering trees that seemed to beckon her forward. For as long as she could remember, the villagers had warned of the dangers that lurked within the forest's depths. Tales of monstrous creatures and dark magic had been passed down through generations, instilling a deep-rooted fear in the hearts of the townspeople. But Lily couldn't help feeling drawn to the mysteries that lay beyond the treeline. As she made her way down the winding cobblestone streets, Lily couldn't help but overhear the hushed whispers of her neighbors. "Did you hear the howling last night? The forest spirits are restless," an elderly woman muttered to her friend. "Goodness, child, you mustn't even think of venturing into those woods. Who knows what horrors await?" Lily's brow furrowed as she listened, her fingers tracing the intricate carvings on the wooden fence that separated the village from the forest. She knew the stories, of course, the tales of enchanted creatures and dark shadows that lurked between the towering oaks and evergreens. But something within her yearned to uncover the truth for herself. "Lily! There you are, you troublesome girl," her mother's voice called out, snapping Lily from her reverie. "I've been searching all over for you. What are you doing out here, staring at that dreadful forest?" Lily turned to face her mother, her eyes shining with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. "I was just wondering, Mother, what's it really like in there? The other children say there are fairies and unicorns, but the grown-ups are always so afraid." Her mother's expression darkened, and she quickly ushered Lily away from the fence. "Nonsense, child. There's nothing but darkness and danger in those woods. You do well to heed the warnings of your elders and stay far away from that place." As they walked back to their modest cottage, Lily couldn't help but steal one last glance over her shoulder, her heart racing with a mixture of fear and curiosity. The forest seemed to beckon her, its verdant canopy swaying gently in the breeze as if inviting her to explore its mysteries. That night, as Lily lay in bed, the whispers of the village echoed in her mind. She tossed and turned, her imagination running wild with visions of magical creatures and hidden wonders. Finally, as the moon reached its zenith, Lily made a decision. Tomorrow, she would venture into the enchanted forest, no matter the cost.